Dear student, in this video, we learn the example on type 3. So that is type 3 means now given u minus v or u plus v. Such type of examples we can solve, then find the analytic function. So already you know the analytic function. If it is obeys the CR equation, it is analytic function. And then in the second type, if the real or imaginary part is given, we have to construct analytic function. If it is u is given, we find the v. If it is v is given, we find the u. Third type is means it is not type. We have to return the type, that is u minus v or u plus v is given. We have to show that or find the analytic function. So let us solve the example. Find the analytic function f of z is equal to u plus I into v, given u minus v is equal to e raised to x into cos y minus sin y. So let us solve the example. So given that u minus v equal to e raised to x into cos y minus sin y. So first find the derivative, that is differential with respect to x and y. So you get with respect to x means differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, we get ux minus vx equal to, it is constant, variable is e raised to x. E raised to x differential e raised to x cos y minus sin y. It is equation number 1. Similarly, differentiate partially with respect to y, we get dou u by dou y minus dou u by dou y equal to e raised to x as it is, differential of this. Cos y differential is minus sin y. Sin y differential is cos y. Using CR equation in LHS, that is we know that uy is equal to minus vx and vy is equal to ux. We substitute CR equation such that we have to solve these two simultaneous equation. Here ux is there, here ui is there. Either you make it is ux or you make uy. Here either ux vx is there, you make ux vx, or it is ui vi is there, you make ui vy by using the CR equation, so that we find u and v easily. So that here minus vx minus ux means in this equation we put the uy is equal to minus vx, vy is equal to ux. Here minus is there, minus as it is, then taken the minus common, minus e raised to x sin y plus cos y. So all the term have minus, so divide by minus or multiply minus, we get ux plus vx is equal to e raised to x into sin y plus cos y. So adding equation number 1 and 2, so vx cancel, remaining is ux, so that is 2ux is equal to 2 into e raised to x cos y. So 2 cancel, we get ux is equal to e raised to x into cos y. So subtract equation number 1 and 2, we get minus 2 vx is equal to minus 2 into e raised to x sin y. 2 cancel, minus minus cancel, we get vx is equal to e raised to x into sin y. Next, already you have learned the working procedure for the analytic function. First we find the derivative, then we put the in the f dash of z value. So f dash of z is equal to ux plus I into vx. We already calculated ux and vx, so substitute here, we get f dash of z is equal to e raised to x into cos y plus I into e raised to x into sin y. So both the term have e raised to x common, take e raised to x common, cos y plus I sin y, then cos y plus I sin y can be written as e raised to iy. So e in the form of a raised to m, a raised to n, we get e raised to x plus iy. So e raised to x plus on e raised to z. F dash of z equal to e raised to z. On integration we get f of z is equal to e raised to z plus c. So it is a same procedure as type 1, but they have not given directly f of z, they have given in the form of u minus v plus v. So this is a procedure, that is to find the derivative of u with respect to x and y, then solve the simultaneous equation, find ux and vx, put in the f dash of z, then integrate, we get the f of z. So this is a type 3 example. So let us solve next example. If f of z is equal to u of r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta is analytic, and given that u plus v is equal to 1 by r square into cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, r is not equal to 0, determine the analytic function f of z. So here they have given u plus v equal to r square into cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. We have to show that f of z is analytic. So differentiate with respect to r and theta, we get dou u by dou r plus dou u by dou r is equal to, so it is constant, cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta as it is. So 1 by r square with respect to r difference is minus 2 by r cube. It is equation number 1. So differentiate with respect to theta, we get u theta or dou u by dou theta plus v theta or dou u by dou theta is equal to 1 by r square is constant, difference with respect to theta, cos 2 theta difference is minus sin 2 theta into 2 minus sin 2 theta difference is minus as it is cos 2 theta into 2 theta difference is 2. So take minus 2 common, we remaining is minus 2 by r square into sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Here ur vr is there, so make it is also ur and vr so that we can find ur and vr. For that we use this CR equation, that is v theta is equal to r into ur and minus u equal to r into vr. So substitute here, we get u theta is equal to r into vr, so that is minus r into vr, plus v theta is equal to r into ur, we get minus 2 by r square into sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta, or multiply, so divide by r, we get ur minus vr. Right, first this ur minus vr is equal to minus 2 divided by r cube into sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta, denote equation number 2. So equation number 1 is ur vr, equation 2 is ur vr. To find the value of ur, adding equation number 1 and 2. So add equation number 1 2, we get ur plus ur is 2 ur, vr minus vr cancel, we get 2 ur is equal to minus 4 r cube by cos 2 theta, or ur is equal to minus 2 divided by r cube into cos 2 theta, 2 under 2 2. Then to find vr, so subtract 1 minus 3, subtract 1 by 3, so ur minus ur cancel, vr plus vr minus minus, we get 2 vr is equal to 4 by r cube into sin 2 theta, 2 under 2 theta, we get vr is equal to 2 by r cube into sin 2 theta. So it is ur vr. So put in the f dash of z, so f dash of z is equal to e raised to minus I theta ur plus I into vr, e raised to minus I theta ur is minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta plus I into 2 by r cube sin 2 theta. Then 2 by r cube is common, is there, take minus 2 by r cube common, we get minus 2 by r cube into e raised to minus I theta, so remaining is cos theta minus sin 2 theta. Then minus 2 by r cube, it is in the form of e raised to minus 2 theta, so e raised to minus 2 theta, e raised to minus I theta is e raised to minus 3I into theta. Then here take e raised to minus 3I theta in the denominator, we get minus 2 divided by r cube into e raised to 3I theta, or r into e raised to I theta raised to 3. So r into e raised to I theta means z, so minus 2 divided by z cube. So we have to rearrange so that we get the z value. So f dash of z is minus 2 by z cube. On integrating with respect to z both sides, we get f of z is equal to minus 2 integration of 1 by z cube with respect to z plus integration constant c f of z, so minus 2 as it is, so z cube integration is, that is minus 1 divided by 2 into z square, 2 to cancel, minus minus cancel, remaining is 1 by z square plus c. So f of z is equal to 1 by z square plus c. So type 3 means, we have denoted type 3 because type 1 is they have given f of z, we have to find analytic and derivative. Type 2 means they have given either u or v, we find the analytic, and corresponding u or v we find. Type 3 means if they have given u minus v, u plus v, then we find the analytic. So to find the analytic, you know in the type 1 and type 2 how to find the analytic. So this is a type 3 example. This is a type 3. If f of z is equal to u plus I into v is analytic, find z if u minus v equal to x minus y into x square plus 4xy plus y square. So here they have given that u minus v is equal to x cube plus 3x square y minus 3xy square minus y cube. So differentiate with respect to x and y, we get dou u by dou x minus dou u by dou x equal to 3x square plus 6xy minus 3y square. Differentiation of y cube with respect to x is 0. Difference with respect to y, dou u by dou I minus dou v by dou I. It is 0 with respect to I means remaining is 3x square, with respect to I means minus 6xy, with respect to I means minus 3y square. Equation number 2. So convert uy and vy in terms of ux and vx by using the CR equation property. Ux is equal to vy and vx is equal to minus ui by CR equation. Therefore equation 2 become minus vx minus ux equal to 3x square minus 6x 3y square. Equation number 3. And then adding equation number 1 and 3, we get minus 2x is equal to 6x square minus 6y square, or vx is equal to 3 into bracket y square minus x. So subtract 1 minus 3, we get 1 minus 3, we get 2ux is equal to 12xy. Therefore ux is equal to 6xy. So ux is known, vx is known. Then put in the formula f dash of z is equal to ux plus I into vx. So f dash is z is equal to 6xy plus I into bracket 3 into y square minus x square. Then put x equal to z and y is equal to 0. We get this is, if you put x equal to z, y is equal to 0, it is 0. X is equal to z means z square, y is equal to 0 means 0. 0 minus z square is, so it will be the minus z square into get f dash of z is equal to minus I into 3 z square. Then integrate with respect to z, we get f of z is equal to minus I into 3 is constant, integration of z square into dz plus c. On integration, z square integration is z cube by 3, 3 cancel, f of z is equal to minus z cube into I plus c. So here I denotes, that is, it is a imaginary part. So it is a type 3 example. In the next video we solve the next type. Thank you.